Haven't seen him.
He might be.
Do we need to chase him?
Nah, I think he's gone on the inside.
Yeah, I think you're on the inside, yeah. Fucking, your float rod had something.
Woo! Oh no!
Oh!
Did it get sharked then? Or did it just jump off? I didn't see it.
Nah, he just fucking jumped and spat the hook. It was
Queenie?
a fucking big queenie, but look.
Fuck.
He's only got a little hook on there.
But someone had to go at that rod on you.
Oh shit.
Missing half of him.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. His dad told me, send him any photos.
Hey!
Hey! Is this over the top of you?
Yeah, you're over. Oh, you go around that fucking mark, mate. Oh, big heads, I can feel it.
Oh, fuck.
Now he's come out.
Oh, don't go under.
Another golden, mate.
Another golden. Fuck, where is the gaff? Oh, here.
Running on pretty light gear, boys.
Yeah.
Hiding under the boat.
Yeah. They're fucking smart, they know when they're at their end.
Ah, next time, mate.
Fucking got a scale off him. Fucking brain spiked him.
Nice. Woo! Fuck, you going just hook too.
Well done, mate.
Oh.
Cracker.
Fuck yeah.
Woo! Good shit, mate.
Fuck yeah. Fucking great big
Start,
Look
mate.
at that.
Fucking nice golden.
Change at the photos. Fuck yeah.
Oh.
Fucking so good. Beautiful.
Yeah, awesome. Cheers, boys. Fuck yes.
I think it's your turn for one, Frank.
No man, I'm happy to fucking skipper this one. I'm enjoying watching.
Oh. I got the hook up on the camera and then I hit the power button to make sure it was recording and it turned off halfway through the fight, but got the rest of it.
I got the whole fight on film, I think,
Yeah.
so that was good.
And it is what? Oh fuck, that prawn's still in there too.
Let's see how that knife goes, eh?
Yeah.
That better?
We've got 2 herring left and 1 prawn.
Can you get the herring out, mate?
Oh no, I want to try and get one on the lure. Fuck on the drop!
Oh, that's alright. You're on again, man, are you? Yeah, you fucking are.
On the drop?
Happy
Yeah.
days.
What was that about getting the herring out?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, it's a little mac.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bait. Fucking swing him in. We'll fucking swing him up. He's legal anyway, by the looks of it. What are they, 50?
For schoolies. Yeah,
Yeah, 50. He's bait anyway, mate. I use the fucking...
Fucking look at the teeth on him.
Under the bait. He's out, he's
Oh.
fucked and he's over here. Oh, fuck, we're gonna have a massive tackle. He's come back here, I think. There he is.
Yep, yep.
I'm around the motor, quick and tool up.
Whoa.
Good size.
Yeah, not big on the hookup, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
that's 2 for the trip, Nick. What are you doing?
Oh, I didn't fucking hit record.
I had it. I had
did
it.
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna say, he hadn't really woken up yet.
Oh.
Oh,
I'll get that line. Oh, John.
gone.
Back tangle the all up.
Yeah, dolphins. Good old flipper.
They found the cocaine.
Smartest animal in the sea.
Yeah. Yeah, look at it. Fuck.
Yeah, that's cool. Good to see.
Yeah.